Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel and this uptrend line support as well. And I also want to show you once again this breakout from this falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that Bitcoin has formed a very long-term down channel. It entered the channel here back in November 2021, and after this big drop, you can see it has again reached the resistance here recently on 15th of August on this weekly candlestick that was opened on 15th of August. It rallied up to $25,212, but after getting rejected, again it again moved down. This time you can see we got another bounce from here, and we are again rejected. You can see we got rejected here, and this was, by the way, a fake out. We got another rejection here, another rejection here on 15th of August, and this is the recent rejection I've mentioned here. And you can see this time again it is top here. If we switch to the daily time frame chart, this is, by the way, the same trend line that I'm showing you here. Here I have placed also on the daily time frame chart. Then you can see it is stopped exactly at this trend line that is an uptrend line support for Bitcoin, and you can see it is again providing a nice support for the price line. Now at the same time on the daily time frame chart, Bitcoin has formed this falling wedge pattern. Before that, we were watching a rising wedge pattern that Bitcoin formed on the same daily time frame chart, and this was the previous rising wedge pattern. This was the resistance, and here we had the support. And after this breakdown, our target was here at the bottom of the wedge that was approximately here where the price line was dropped. That was approximately $18,500. And you can see during this move, it also formed another falling wedge pattern. As the rising wedge pattern is considered as a bearish bias, on the contrary, the falling wedge pattern is considered as a bullish bias. Therefore, you can see that we broke down the support, and then it formed this falling wedge pattern. We broke out the resistance. By the way, the target for this falling wedge, like I was showing you, the target can be here at the bottom of the wedge. In the opposite of this, our target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately here at $24,800. However, after this breakout, we had some correction, and still we are testing this support, this uptrend line support. Now, for example, if the price line starts any reversal move from here, then we can expect that soon it can hit this target. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support. If it will be broken down, then this next support, that is also a recent swing low, by the way, before this breakout, we have here at $18,500 approximately. That can work as a very strong support. For example, if Bitcoin breaks down this support as well, then this breakout from the falling wedge pattern will be invalidated. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.